from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, and have joined JSPIDER one and a half month back, and have got a good experience. Have learnt a lot which I am not knowledge, which I have not got the knowledge about, and about the faculties teach with good examples which students can understand, the way students can understand, and have placed with a good company, in a good company and with good package. And in HR, about HRs, they give us good training about the interview rounds, and make us to clear all the rounds, and that's it.